welcome back. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, chat. Good morning. What's good? Glory be to God. First things first in the morning. What is up, everybody? Get this started. Come on, let's get this started. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. All right, let's get it. Let's get into this word, y'all. Hope y'all having a good morning. Happy Friday to y'all. Man. What's up? Man, crazy congrats, fam. Been on the channel since 8. Gosh, you've been on the channel that long? Oh my goodness. Been subscribed for that long, man. Shout out to you, bro. Appreciate it. Appreciate the support. Appreciate the love. Almighty 5. What's up, bro? What is up? Hey, first things first, let's get into this word. I love spreading that word in the morning. I'll spread the word Monday through Friday. We got Psalms chapter 25, verse 4. Show me the right path, O Lord. Point out the road for me to follow. Lead me by your truth and teach me, for you are the God who saves me. All day long, I put my hope in you. Make sure you're putting your hope in the Lord Jesus. Make sure that you're asking for his truth and he's teaching you. Ask for his wisdom. Ask for God's discernment. Ask for God's understanding. Ask for his will to be done in your life. Glory be to God. Let the Lord be a lamp to your feet and a light to your path. Right? Be right with the Lord. We have Romans chapter 12, verse 2. Don't copy the behavior and customs of this world, but let God transform you into a new person by changing the way you think. Then you will learn to know God's will for you, which is good and pleasing and perfect. If you're following the customs of this world, you're going to find yourself going down a path that is not God's will. But if you put your trust and faith in God, you will know your will. You will know your place. Right? Glory be to God. All right. Let's see what we got. All right. Just remember that, y'all. All right. All right, let's look at these charts. Actually, look and see if we got any news. Let me see if we got any news today. See if we got any news today. Nah, that's it, man. 7:30 employment change and unemployment rate just came out. 7:30. Nothing really. All right, let's look at these. Let's look at these. What's up, Rambo? Brother, God created this world, though. What do you mean, Rambo? Elaborate. Elaborate, Rambo. Rambocito. We need elaboration on what you mean. Do I got my P&L? Yeah, I do. Alright, got this 4 hour right here. Let me look at this. See, we got some lows. Couldn't break, rejected. Can we push higher? Also look on a daily. It's starting to look. Ooh, I don't know. It looks short. I ain't gonna lie to you. It looks short. I mean, this is the last day of the week. This is the last day of the week. This is the last day of the week. But let me know, Rambo, what you mean? God created this world, though. What do you mean, like? What are you saying? What's up, everybody in the chat? I'm gonna spread that word one more time. I mean, look, spread the word. Why not? Spread the word one more time. Right? We got Psalms chapter 25, verse 4. Show me the right path, O Lord. Point out the road for me to follow. Lead me by your truth and teach me, for you are God who saves me. All day long, I put my hope in you. Put your hope in God. Seek his truth. Seek his face constantly, day and day, right? Constantly, stay in constant prayer with the Lord. Don't stop praying. Don't stop seeking his face, right? Also, we got Romans chapter 12, verse 2. Don't copy the behaviors and the customs of this world. Let God transform you into a new person by changing the way you think. Then you will learn to know God's will for you, which is good, pleasing, and perfect. You follow the customs of the world, you wouldn't know your will. You wouldn't know what true potential you may have in this world or in the afterlife if you don't follow God. Put your faith and trust in God, and He will show you your paths and align your will with His will, right? All right, let's get into it. Let's get into it. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat. If you want me to reread the scriptures again, read some more scriptures, I will. I'm cool with that. All right, let's get it. All right, so on a daily, pretty much we couldn't break and we rejected back down. We see now we're back into the discount. We're at the previous day low. Can we bounce at this previous day low and see some potential longs? Or are we going to reject this previous day low and continue to go short? Even though we took out we took out some liquidity, but we didn't take out this whole wick. We're going to see if we can have this continuation going back up to the longs. This is the last day of the week. I don't want to go too heavy today, though. This is the last day of the week. I'm not trying to go too heavy. We are making lower lows, but we're still in a higher time frame making higher highs, right? So in a lower time frame, we're making higher lows. So we're going to see. We're going to see. We're going to see. We're going to see. See if I can, before we go into, before we make any trade, we go on chart first. See if we can find any zones, any potential zones that we could bounce off of and catch a good trade off of. I got ES pulled up too as well. Why you not saying nothing, Rambo? Rambo-cito. Got a 4-hour fair value gap up here. Man, that's a lot of wicks. My goodness. A lot of wicks. Man, happy Friday though for all of y'all, man. Last day of the week. Last trading day of the week. Let's make it a good one. Let's make it a good one. Took out this low. Bounced at this 4-hour. Bounced again. Couldn't take it out on the 1-hour. Got above. Hey. Can we see a market structure shift? But didn't get the breaker structure though. 30-minute above. Let's see, we got a 1-hour above. 1 hour. Actually, this big old candle is a 1 hour. Big old wick right here is 1 hour. 1 hour supply zone. Got a 1 hour right here too. One hour right here on ES. ES. So it's just a block though. ES. Also we have, what else do we have? What else do we have? What else do we have? Anything else? Let me see if we got any lows we can target. I mean, if anything, we might see a target to this low right here if we do take the shorts. Right here, 4-hour fair value gap right here. I mean, 4-hour demand zone right here. Right, 4-hour demand zone right here, 4 hour. Rambo, where you went, bro? Why you dip? Market opens up in 19 more minutes. 19 more minutes, market opens up. Fair value gap right here also. Could possibly bounce at this area too. Thought I had this already mapped out. That's what's crazy. Thought I had these zones already mapped out. 4-hour fair value gap right here. So we just charting right now, getting our zones ready. So when we do take these trades, we be set. We be set. It'd be nice to see us take out this low and bounce right here. What, did we take out this right here? Let's see. Oh, we did. We did. Hold up. Wait a minute. We took it out already. Look again. Okay, got a fair value gap down here though. You got down here though. All right, all right, all right, all right. Couldn't break the high 3 times. Came back down. Broken this low right here. Bounced right here. Are we either gonna retrace back up to this 1 hour and see a short, or are we gonna reject right here underneath this previous day low? We're gonna see. We're gonna have to sit on hands. You know, I'm not gonna take no trade just too fast. I'm gonna just take my time, sit on hands, wait till I get some clear confirmation that we may go to the shorts. You know, whatever, and we're gonna see. I don't want to risk. I don't want to risk too much today. It is Friday, all right? It is Friday. 1 hour right here. Wait, why is this 1 hour like this? Hold up. Oh, that wasn't a 1 hour. That was a 4 hour. 4 hour. You know what? I'm about to turn this. This is not valid. It's not valid. It's not valid. I'm not. I don't like that. I don't like that. That ain't it, coach. That ain't it. That ain't it. All right. All right. Let me know in the chat if you got any questions. Don't be afraid. Wow. Got a lot more zones up here too. Inverse of it. You got possibly an inverse if we do pump into this. I'm gonna set these zones just in case next week come around and we have it, you know, just to have it. So we be set. 1 hour IFVG inverse. Just in case. We got some imbalance. I gotta use the restroom. I really do. I might be right back, y'all. Might be right back. Market opens up in 15 more minutes. Hey, yo, I'll be right back. 39 CPU is crazy. What's up, Deontay? Not much, man. Not much. Just another day. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Market opens up in 10 more minutes. 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 Market opens up in 10 more minutes. Alright. Hey, that's good. As always. What are we doing today? What are we doing today? Are we getting any movement? Because we look like we got no news. There's like literally no news for the rest of the day. We may not see not much movement today. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Long or short? Let's see. Am I going long or am I going short? Am I going long or am I going short? Be honest with you. Be honest with you. I'm thinking long. I'm thinking long. We're gonna see though. We're gonna see though. I'm not saying it because I'm unsure. It's just I gotta see how we play around this 4 hour, how we play around this previous day low, how we play around this 4 hour fair value gap. If we're gonna go back up to these highs, or are we gonna take out these lows and go back down to this 4 hour below? We're gonna see. I gotta see how we react. I'm not sure yet, but it looks long to me because the higher time frame is still long. Even though we took out some liquidity, I mean, we're gonna see. You know what? Let me study real quick. Let me study. What you thinking? You thinking long or you thinking short? Gia? Let's see. Equal highs. Consolidated broke down. It could be short. It could be. But since we don't really have no news, it just, I don't know. It might be chopped, you know? It might be choppy. Because we still in this range. If you look on a daily, look how much we are in this range. You know, we're still in this range. It's the last of the week. We might just print right here. And then we might print right here and then shoot back up next week. You know, it's just, who knows? We might stay in this range. I don't really see any movement today. Not too much, not continual movement. I might see like a big move and that's it for the day. We're gonna see. I'm gonna look at a monthly. Yeah. Okay. Weekly. Got the break. Okay, we retrace. I don't know. Looks rangy. Looks like we might just sit in this little range, you know? Because we didn't break high on the weekly. I mean, we took out the highs on weekly. And we didn't break low yet. Can we retrace and come back down to these lows? We'll see. Or are we going to continue to respect this block right here? You feel me? We're going to see. We just got to see how this market going to move. We're going to see. I already know Rambo about to catch him a nice probably call him a nice trade in the early session. Waiting for the 22,860 for retracement. Waiting for 22,860 for retracement. To go long? You're going long? You're going long? You're going long. What's at the 860? Let me see. What's that 860? What, somewhere right here? You looking to bounce back in this spot right here? Okay. That's cool. We're gonna see. Look sideways, be honest with you. But I'm thinking long. If you're thinking long, I've been thinking long. I'm trying to see where at though. Where can we get long? Excuse me. And we in this range. Look how we're arranging. 30 minute. We're just moving sideways. Moving sideways. Also, guys, if you trade Apex, Tradeovate, use 80% off. Use Apex. Use that code, that guy. Okay? Use that code. Right here. 80% off. Apex. That guy. Same. Also, Psalms chapter 25, verse 4. Show me the right path, O Lord. Show me the right path, O Lord, and point out the road for me to follow. Lead me by your truth and teach me, for you are the God who saves me. You want God to teach you. You want God to lead you because he is your savior. All day long, we put our hope and trust in him. Right? Also, Romans chapter 12, verse 2. Don't copy the behavior or the customs of this world, but let God transform you into a new person by changing the way you think. Then you will learn to know God's will for you, which is good, pleasing, and perfect. We don't follow the customs of this world. We put our trust in God. He's going to transform us into a new creation. And we're going to learn to know God's will. We're going to learn to hear his voice. Know what he wants what his will to be done in our life to be. As long as we obey him, seek him, pray to him continually with nonstop, without ceasing, then we will find a good and pleasing. We're going to find his will to be good, pleasing, and perfect. Right? Trading, marketing, stream. Yes, it is. Right? Glory be to God. That's Romans chapter 12 and Psalms chapter 25. Market opens up in 4 minutes. 4 minutes. We in this range though. We're chopping around. We haven't broken high. We haven't broken low. We're in this little range. Got 30 minutes on that. Can we have a continuation going long? Or are we going to break short? We're going to see. We are underneath the previous day low though. Right? We're underneath the previous day low. Can we respect it and go back higher? Got a 15 minute. Underneath the 4 hour on the 15 minute. Underneath this block. Underneath this block. Underneath this 4 hour. See, we're underneath. We're going to see. We're going to see. I would like to see us go long. I like how we're respecting this 4 hour right here. I like that we didn't break this. We kept bouncing at this half point. Bouncing right here. But we between these important zones. That's the catch. We're between these zones. I don't want to see us chop around the market open a range. You know, I don't want to see the ORB open a range block. Open a range break, chopping around. We got a fair value gap right here. Also, 15 minute fair value gap. Could be a nice respect right here, though. Market opens up in 2 more minutes. Right, I want to see us respect. 5 minute. 5 minute, 5 minute. Choppy. Chop. Chop. You know what? I might switch out this 15 minute for this 30 minute. Let me see. I like this 30 minute. Might see this for a long. 30 minute for the longs. 30 minute fair value gap. Yes, sir. What's up, bro? What's up, mean? Easy money. As long as we follow our rules and we stick to the trader plan, we should be good to go. It's a Mario. All right, let's see. We got a 30 minute fair value gap right here. Nice respect right there. Like how we building up on this. If we respect this, once market opens up in 1 more minute. 1 more minute. See about a long. If the long don't come in, then we just gonna be patient and wait for another trade to come through. We got a 30 minute right here. We tap into this. I hope we don't have to bounce off this and close on this, but we might. You know, we're gonna see. Also, Gia is looking for that 860 level. She's looking for that 860 level. Gia's looking for that 860 level. 30 minute demand right here. Small little demand, nothing too big. Just something to see if we could bounce off of. All right, 30 minute on ES2 as well. We're getting that push already before market open, which I can't stand pushes already before market open. It gets annoying sometimes. You always see a push before the market opens. It's almost like everybody's just impatient to wait to take the trade. All right, respect. Let's see what else do we have. Market is about to open in 5 seconds. 5 seconds. We got a 4 hour right here below. Can we respect that? Oh, we already pushing. Oh God, bro, I can't stand that. Respecting the 30 minute though, but we got 30 seconds on this. Can we get the break? If we don't get the break, then we might see a retracement back down to the lows. Go back down to this 15 minute. I like how we're respecting on ES. Look at the 15 minute on NQ. We didn't get the break, so we might see a push back down. If not, then we might see a push up. Okay, here we go. What's the move? Uh-oh, we pushing. Big push. Hey, what's up, Kelly? Dang, move happened so fast, man, so fast. How many ticks was that? I could have took that, but that was 123 ticks. Psh, that could have been nice. But I don't like trading market open just that easily. You know, I don't like the trade market open just too quick. Just in case we do have like a lot of volatility. But look how we're respecting though. Look at the respect on a 5 minute. No, I mean on a 1 hour. See how we above this previous day low, and we respected this 30 minute. Nice little move. Like I could have caught, but you never know. It could chop around all day and then take off. You never really know. All right. Even though market open, let's see what we can do in this range. See if we can respect this and go for a short. We're gonna see, or are we gonna continue long? Keep ES up. I don't want to get faked out. 15-minute opening range. Anybody trades a 15-minute opening range? Big move. It happened so fast though. See what else? Are we gonna have that continuation? Could be. I'm gonna see 28 minutes on the 4 hour. See if we can have that push. Keep going. Can respect. Looking right now to see if I can find any zone that can be a potential bounce. All right, we're retracing. See if we can find anything to get into this trade. All right, we got something right here. I'm gonna put that right there just in case we do push. ES is not breaking at all. ES is rejected. ES just rejected. So we're gonna see. Do I have anything else? Retracing off this 15-minute. Big rejection. Whatever you got right here. Can we respect? Looking for some more zones. Big rejection. Letting this market develop a little bit. Showing support for an interesting trading market. Hey, that's what's up. Appreciate the love and support. All right, we're just waiting. We're gonna wait a little bit, y'all. Remember that this market is still. ES hasn't even made his mind up yet. It just pushed and dropped. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. I gotta get a haircut, bro. I gotta cut my hair. Can we hold this level? We got 2 levels and we didn't even respect that. Definitely gonna get rid of this one. Big rejection coming in. See if we can hold this level. 2 minute. Big moves, y'all. Big moves. Just gotta be careful. I want to make sure that I'm on the right side of the market before I take a trade. What was this? What is this? Oh, this is a 1 hour. Oh, this is a 1 hour. Wait a minute. 1 hour. Four hour. Are we rejecting? Don't tell me we're rejecting this. Gotta be careful right here. Yes, it's rejecting though. I don't want to get slipped into some move just because it's volatile. Might see it push back up though. Be careful right here though. Thank you, Deontay, man. Thank you for the support, bro. I be needing reinsurance, you know. Make sure I'm not going crazy. Make sure I ain't going crazy. No entry yet? Nah. Too volatile. Nope. Cause look, people would have thought, oh, we got the 5 minute break structure, we're gonna go long. But I'm waiting for a break of structure. I'm waiting for something that tell me more, give me more confirmation. We're rejecting. ES is rejecting. Look, ES is rejecting. See? Okay, yes. Just waiting for more confirmation. Now, I could have took that first scalp long, but I don't like open. I don't like taking the first trade on it once the market open. That ain't my style. And y'all know that. That ain't my style. I've been through too many market opens and the market just went the total opposite way. We're just waiting for confirmation. That's all. Just more confirmation. I'm waiting to see if the sellers gonna give up. Say, you know, the sellers don't want to come in. They want to give up right here. You know, that's all I'm waiting on. Had a feeling was gonna bounce off this, but I didn't think it was gonna take off so fast. That was a quick scout. We disrespecting this? Trying to see what ES is trying to do. We in this range though. Big rejection. We're gonna see. I just need more confirmation. If this 15-minute gets, if this 15-minute closes above this high, might take that long. I'm just waiting. More patience. You're gonna see when I enter. You're gonna know. You're gonna know when I enter. Just being patient, dog. Just being patient. Just being patient. Market is getting rangy. Dropping. Rejected off this 1 hour perfectly though. Let me look at this. Let me look on the 5-minute. Just being patient. All right, let's see if we come back down to this 4 hour and also this previous day low. See if we can hold this level. Big moves. But then we're retracing off that, though. Let me see. 22 minutes on that. 22 minutes on that. We're not breaking high. Hey, this looks short. Man, why does this look so short? Yes, it's not even breaking higher. It's literally just holding this level. Go down to a 15-minute, 5-minute. Uh-oh, this is looking heavy. You might say this is hold up. You might say this is PO3. Power 3. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. We're gonna see 15-minute prints in 6 minutes. I just want to be careful right here. I don't want to take no trades because we in this range. I want to get more confirmation. Just more confirmation that these shorts want to come in or these longs want to come in. Just more confirmation. We're right back at this previous day low. Big wicks though. Looks like a rejection. 1 hour. It's looking short. It's looking short, but I don't know. Gotta see. More confirmation. 20 minutes on that. 6 minutes on this. 5-minute. 1 minute left on that. Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of all of this. That's in the way. This 4 hour. Alright, so we're back into that spot. This is your level, Gia. I think this is your level. If this is your play, this might be your trade. We're gonna see. This might be your trade. Gia? G-A-I? I think that's how you say your name. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. 5 more minutes into this 15-minute prints. I'm gonna wait the 5 minutes. Wait the 5 minutes. If we don't just take off like a horse. Alright, go back down to a 5-minute. Alright, so we printed above. Okay. See what happens right here. We in this range. Okay, we tap into this 30-minute. I like that. See what happens right here. We're in this range. Can we get out this range? That's the question. It's Wild Friday. Hey, I'm gonna start saying that. It's Wild Friday. It's Wild Friday. I like that. I'm gonna start saying that. Ooh. Patience, 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 patience. Hey, I mean, I don't know. I like this for a bounce. I ain't gonna be honest with you. Still long. Might like this for a bounce. 15 minute. I'll stay on that 15 minute. Stay on that 15 minute. 3 minutes left until that 15-minute prints. And we're squeezing out too. I don't like that move. Alright, let me get rid of this. Just in case we hold this position. You think it's gonna drop to 640? We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Me ain't think it's gonna drop to 640. We're gonna see. We in this range though. Gotta be patient. That was a big move. I had a feeling that move was gonna happen and then we're gonna drop. We got no news. We ain't got no, no news or nothing. I like the long. Yeah, I do too. I'm just trying to see if we can respect this area. If we can respect this and constantly hold this level, I might see a long. If not, then we're gonna see. I'm gonna go on light though. And go on potentially heavy if we get that volume. I need a volume profile. I need a volume profile. Big short volume. There we go. Maybe change the color of this stuff. There we go. Actually, I'm gonna keep it like it was. I think that looks better. See if 1 more minute. See if There we go. All right, little something. Can't even see it really. Columns? Nah, too ugly. Nah. There we go. Yeah, you know what? I'll do that. There we go. Bop. I like that. All right, there we go. It's getting short. We're gonna see 15-minute prints in a second. We're gonna see. See if we're gonna hold this level. But the thing is, we're underneath the previous day low. I think we have to be more patient. Be honest with you. I think we have to be patient, y'all. How we just shoot up like this and then reject. Break, come down. 15 minute. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hey, yo. Uh-oh. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. There we go. 15 minutes just printed. Why is my kids going crazy back there early in the morning? 15 minutes just printed. Are we breaking? Testing your level. I'm thinking about taking some test my level too. I'm going long right here. Put a stop below these lows for a loss of 142. Take my first TP probably up here. See, this 15 minute can hold. It's a risky spot though, I ain't gonna lie. Ooh. We gotta break. I don't want to see us drop. I might stay out, scale out if we don't hold this level. I'm scaling out. I'm scaling out. I'm scaling out. I'm scaling out. I'm in one. I'm in one. I'm gonna just take. I'm gonna scale out. I'm gonna scale out. Looking at each time frame. I don't like how we underneath the 30 minute, dog. We're gonna see. I don't like how we underneath the 30. Test them levels. Nice. Nice push. Alright. Ooh, big. I knew. We got above though, but big rejection. It's just that fast. People adding right here. Jeez. Can we get a close above? It'd be nice to see a close above this 30. Come on, ES. ES is not pushing. That's what's getting on my nerves. ES is not pushing. Come on, ES. Rangy. Alright, we pushing. There we go. Big push. Might add more if we can respect his range. You know what? If we get above this, I'm gonna add more. If we can get above this. Let me get rid of this 4-hour thing. I don't like it. I think it's so invalid. If we respect this previous day low, if we respect the previous day low, I'm gonna get above it and add more. Just in case we don't reject at this fair value gap or something. You know what I'm saying? Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful in this market. I'm gonna try to get you. Alright, we're pushing. What's his respect? Come on, yes. Get above. I wanted to add more. I didn't want to just take off and just, you know. But still a nice trade though. Dang. Getting aggressive. I really wanted to. Come back into this this spot and maybe retest and then continue going long. I want to add more. You know what? I'm gonna get rid of this TP. I don't want no TP. This thing is just taking off. How many ticks was that? That was 230 ticks. Nice. Nice. You took profits. I'm holding. I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it. We got 10 minutes on the 1 hour. Ooh. Ooh, I don't want to see us drop on this. Man, I would like to see us come back down into this. Bounce in there and then pop. ES is bouncing at the support though. See? I like how ES is bouncing. Looking good though. ES need to stay above this previous day. I like that. Looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Might add more right here. If we respect. Dang, ES didn't get that we're gonna see. Come on. Ooh. I'm adding right here. I'm adding right here. I'm gonna take our partials if we continue to push. How come you only have one contract, man? Oh, because I was about to. I don't know. I didn't click it when I was supposed to click it. I just kind of like forgot because I was too busy yapping. But we ended though. No big deal. I was too busy yapping. I'll take our partials right here. Wow, how you move me when it literally... bro, it's so crazy how the movement came from here all the way up here off of just a couple of micros. Like, come on. I can see if I did like 30 micros, you know? I can see if I did 30 micros. But I didn't scale in. I scaled out because just in case it was too heavy and it dropped on me. But it's okay though. The move still looks promising. I just gotta look for a better move. Once we get it, if we can get a retracement and respect right here, I might go into some more. But I'm gonna hold this trade because it's like we're gonna keep on pushing. Ooh, also right here, Bob. I mean, yeah, it's cool. It's no big deal. No biggie. Seven more minutes on that. We're respecting this? Nah, we're not gonna reject it. We might push it. I would like to see us come back. They don't want to give us the discount. This is a discount move, by the way. Hey, it respected that 30 minute. Hey, at least it respected that trade. It respected that trade. At the 30-minute demand zone we had, perfect respect. So I'm happy about that. Even though we didn't make that much, I'm happy that we respect this area. That makes me happy. It shows that it held up. I should have known right here based off the 3-minute break above. I should have paid attention. Right here too. I don't like going too heavy because I like to really study my craft. I want to make sure that it's really telling me, hey, this thing wants to push long. This thing wants to go. This thing wants to take off. Right above. And we just pushing. Hey, you did good though, huh? Gia? You did good, right? I don't like that trade. Can we push higher? Uh-oh. 6 more minutes into this market. That was a good trade though, I ain't gonna lie. When my chart started lagging a lot. I ain't gonna lie, my chart started lagging a lot. Cause when I'm streaming, it's not as smooth. Like for what when you see how it's like doing this, like y'all probably seen y'all's are like this. Y'all can see the moves. My moves are like kind of like delayed because I'm streaming, so it's a little tough for me to see. I gotta get a new computer, so it chops me up a lot. So that's why I kind of get not too confident in the trade. Like you might like look at my chart. You might see how it's moving. It's like it's not really like where you can really go. Okay, yeah, it's really holding up. That's probably one of the reasons why I don't go in too heavy too sometimes, because I'm like, ooh, I don't like how stagnant it looks. I got some levels right here I want to see us bounce off of though. True. Yeah, I might get out of this. All right, not bad. $62. I'll take it. 62 bucks. I can buy a gallon of milk. Oh yeah, we might be pushing off this. Might see a continuation push. Also with the yeah, I'm waiting for 900 level. Yeah, me too. I mean, I'm waiting on it. See if we can catch this inverse, but it might push. It might push because ES is still trying to push. We got 4 minutes into the 1 hour in a. We got 4 minutes into the 1 hour in a 4 hour. The 4 hour prints too. The 4 hour prints too in 3 minutes. We're gonna see. That was a nice move. I didn't like how laggy my computer was. It almost felt like it would just wanted to stay. I didn't like it. Now when I'm not streaming, I can see the movement fluid. Like it'll be moving, like it'll be like this, right? But when I start streaming, it does that. Like almost like a second delayed, and it kind of gets me. So that's why I don't really like. I get scared of the level, you know. I don't want to take it. Looks like we're gonna continuation because ES looks like it wants to push too. So it looks good. It looks good. It looks good. Big push. Psh. Oh my goodness. I should have held that. But good trade though. 2 more minutes into that 1 hour prints. See if we can get another retracement. Two minutes. Excuse me. 15 minute right here. 15 minute supply zone right here. 15 minute supply. Just in case it does drop. We don't get an official break. What is above my head? Let's see. Oh, it's a 4 hour. So 4 hour above. Also with a 1 hour above too. What did it do? What's up, Kingdom? It's good, Kingdom. Good trade, G. Good trade. Good trade. Yeah, I should have known. No breaker structure right here. Should have known that this is gonna be a nice long. Should have known. Look at that. No break. But look, no break on this low right here. No break on this low with the sellers drying up right here. Instant long. Should have known. Also with ES is not even. ES had to push too, so that was confirmation too. Should have added right there too. That's those small details that I want to get into. You know, I don't want to skyrocket my hope. I want to get into these small little details that respect this block, that respect this low, and that also dries up the sellers, and we see a retracement back up and just shoots up. That's the type of small details I want to master right there. When I want to add more, and things gonna close a night gap. Okay. Hold up. What am I doing? Oh no, we're not crashing out again. Okay, there we go. Yeah, we just pushing. 20 seconds left. 20 seconds left. All right, y'all. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. Is this valid? Is this valid? Is this valid? So we can find another trade. Because that was a good one. I should have took it. It's not in right here. Take it right. What's up, Abdul? Y'all getting on late. Nah, I was just joking. Hey, not much. Caught a nice little trade. Not a volume slowing down though. Mm. What you thinking? What's up? Yeah. We possibly could close that night gap. Just trying to see if we're gonna like hold this level because ES is breaking back down. But ES did break though. We're gonna see. I would like to see us have a continuation though. I don't want to see us rejected this level. If we can come back down, man, that'd be nice. We come back down, get a nice little bounce right here. Oh man. Ooh, that's gonna be a good trade. I got this red line right here just in case we hold this level. Just in case we hold it. Okay. We ain't getting a break. Okay. We try to push. 15 minute. We stand above this 15 minute. We got a fair value gap right here. Man, I want to see us bounce at one of these levels. 2 minute. 3 minute. Okay. 2 minute. Big sellers. Good question. Hey, it's going pretty good. Happy Friday to y'all, man. Hope y'all have a good weekend for real. Let's see. How we hold this level? Definitely gonna push higher. Wait for the harder correction. Facts. Facts, Kingdom. Hold on. Oh my. Hold on, y'all.
You be good.
Let it go.
Alright, guys. He only gets the lowest 650. You gotta get off. You want to make that promise?
Yeah, I can get off at 650.
650. You got this.
Thank you.
Alright, I'll be back.
Be safe about that.
Alright.
Man, camera's actually cut. We can't see you. All right, let's see what we're doing right here. Are we gonna just have this continue? Are we gonna respect this 15-minute with this block right here? I wonder if it's gonna give us a harder correction or is it gonna keep pushing right here. Looks like it. Looks like it. We're gonna see. Sideways, a lot of chop, not breaking high, not breaking low, a lot of chop. Good trade earlier though. Should have went heavier. I would have been done off. I would have been off on the day. Wasn't thinking. Very choppy, very, very choppy. Big push. Yeah, nah, yeah. I not well, respect right here. Look, do it. Big push. Tap into this right here. Couldn't push lower, and a big old push high. But that doesn't mean that it's gonna have a continuation. We're gonna see. Could be a fake out. But the fact that we stand above this right here, this is what I'm thinking about. This right here, this block. Hold on, where's that? This bop. See on a 1 hour. If I go to a 5-minute, right? If I go to a 5-minute, see, we're spreading out. I don't like this. Ugh. Yuck. Ugh. Look at that. No direction. Big rejection. Hey, no direction. Big rejection. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot. Hold on. Also, what's importantly, Psalms chapter 25, verse 4. Show me the right path, O Lord. Point out the road for me to follow. Lead me by your truth and teach me, for you are God who saves me. All day long I put my hope in you. God our Savior, we pray for your truth and we pray that you teach us your ways and that your will be done, Lord Jesus. Amen. Also, Romans chapter 12, verse 2. Don't copy the behavior and customs of this world, but let God transform you into a new creation by changing the way you think. Then you will learn to know God's will for you, which is good and pleasing and perfect. Each of you have a will that God is willing to do in your life that is perfect, pleasing, and good in your life. Give your life to God. And even when, like myself, I fall down, I got to continue to repent and change my ways and give my life to God. And He's going to establish your ways. You may throw the dice, but He's going to determine how they fall every single time. Give it to God every time, y'all. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. So we in this little range. Hopefully we can get a retracement back down. Because we broke this 1 hour. Look, the 1 hour, we broke it. I would like to see us retrace, like you say, come back up, go back for the longs. Just being patient. Be patient. 5 minutes. I can get rid of this then. I think I can get rid of that. Also this, I can get rid of that. Chop. A lot of chop. No break. Even though we could bounce right here, but there's no break. Might have a push up, might have a push. See how the sellers dried out right here, couldn't break lower. But does that mean we have a continuation? I don't know. Because on a 5 minute, look at this wick. 3 minute. See, we're not breaking. We're stacking. See, 2 minute also. 2 minute. Well, did we get the break? Nope. See, well, we did get the break. We did get the break. But at the same time, not on a 3 minute, the 1 and a 5. So it could still be sideways. Just gonna be patient and wait. I should have went heavy on this move with Gia. Man, we caught this move at the bottom right here on the 30 minute. Oh yeah. Oh, that was perfect trade. I should have added more right here. That was gorgeous. That was gorgeous. I just realized how good it was now. Right here. How it was above this 30 minute. Oh, that was gorgeous. Wait, actually, was it above? Was it above? I got 30 second. Yeah, I mean, it was good enough. It was good enough. All right, let's get back to it. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Nope. Still waiting. Still waiting. Look at the 15 minute. 2 minutes on the 15. Is it trying to push? Hold up. Trying to push. It's really pushing. Well, that's a nice trade, you know? That's nice. That's not bad at all. Especially how we stayed above this right here. That's nice. I can't even be mad at it. Can't even be mad at it. Yes, I can't even be mad at it. Hold up. This is why we need confirmation. Y'all see this, right? I missed it. I wasn't paying attention. Even on the 1 minute, that was the trade to go even for extra long. Y'all see this? Look at that respect. 70 ticks. Look at that respect. Look at that. We tapped this liquidity right here, this high right here on this wick, right? We got this fair value gap on the 3 minute. Fair value gap on the 3 minute. Respect stayed above with the wicks, right? 2 minute. Respect stayed above on the halfway point, also bouncing at this point too. 2 minute. And also on the 1 minute. Big rejection candle. Tapped into this oh, man. That was a good long. That was a good long and I missed it. Those are the small details I'm talking about that I want to start adding more into. Small little details. Small little details. Those are going to make you a better trader. So small details. Just what I just showed you. You will understand candle, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, like you understand it better. Like you will see for what it is. It's you wouldn't think that, oh, this might be a short, it's stagnant. But then the stagnant might trick you out because this is the respect. Look at the respect at this halfway point. Look at that. Perfect respect. Also on the 2 minute. Perfect respect. Bouncing, wicks, no breaker structure. Also on the 3 minute. Stand above. We're right above this. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And we're above this wick right here on the 5 minute. Textbook. And above the fair value gap. Textbook. Man. That's a A plus. That's an A plus setup. That is an A plus setup. You went long on that? You caught that. You caught this perfectly. That's what's up. If you caught this right here, you fired. You're golden. Sometimes you just miss it, you know. Sometimes you be looking at other stuff and then you miss that important play. Perfect entry. Good job. Good job, good job. Good stuff, good stuff. For real. That's that A+ setup stuff. Another power of 3 almost. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So beautiful, man. Add that to y'all strategy. Just those little small details of respect and you know, and accumulation and how it just constantly develops. Right? Alright, let's see if we can find another trade. I was too busy looking for a short, and we're looking for the shorts to come in that I wasn't paying attention to the respect. Also stand above on the, well, no. Nah. Good read though, good read, good read. I can remove it though, I don't need it. Let's see, what else do we have? Good trade, good trade. If you took that, good trade, good trade. 15-minute above. Let's see, respect. Alright, let's look. Next line right here. Let's see. Yes, trying to push too. Let me see. Yeah, like it's so simple. Like it's really simple. It's small things like that. Like those that 1 through the 5 minute is like your entry point. And those small little, like you might say, oh, the 1 hour and the 4 hour took out the liquidity. Wait for the 1 hour to print. I'm going long, or I might go short. But if you go down to the 1 minute to the 5 minute and you look at the respect and how it constantly builds up in those favorite, man, it's like perfect execution. You can't lose once you see that. Like once you see it, it's like, oh my goodness. But sometimes it's a skill. It's like I can see it, but it seems like it seems like that it only shows itself one side. See the once the trade plays out, then I see it after effect. It's so weird though. Like how you seen it right here. Like, okay, look, we're pushing through. Like what was the confirmation? When we pushed to this 1 hour, right? We broke through the 1 hour. Even though we didn't break this high, we broke through the 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour demand zone. I mean supply zone got broken into, right? That's good confirmation. Right, we got the 15-minute. We pushed above this wick. That's another confirmation. Also on the 5-minute, we didn't break and we stayed above this wick right here. Right, we stayed above that wick. Another confirmation. 3-minute fair value gap right here. We stayed above that fair value gap right here in this little low volume node. Bounced off it. Bounced off it halfway. 1 minute. Bounced off it perfectly. Long. You can't beat that. Those are just small details to confirm your longs or your shorts. Just small details. And then right now we about to just, I don't know, we're gonna respect this, chop around, you know, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. I like how these wicks right here, look how these wicks are constantly gradually pulling up. It almost looks like it wants to continue to go long. See how these wicks are constantly going up and rejecting, but we're not going short. We're gonna see. But also we're underneath this though. We're gonna see. Bro said I think for too long. Hey, that's true. You know, it's I'm gonna get sharp at it. Sometimes I find myself, and it's the truth. I see the trades and I wait too long because I'm trying to find a doubt in it. That's the truth. You seeing my flaw? You know, that's my flaw. That's the truth. You ain't no lies told right there, my boy. Or my girl. Let's see, what else we got right here? Fair you got right here, maybe we could push into. I would like to see us tap it to a nice little bounce, but if we're not, then we might push. Yes, it's still pushing though. Yeah, it's gonna push. Let's see, we broke this high. What else do we have? What else do we have that we can bounce into and pop? Oh, we got this. Can we tick that? Also, can we tick this? Let's see. Put this as white so y'all can see it better. This white so y'all can see it better. We at this halfway point though. Do we reject this fair value gap? This 4 hour? There we go. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. Just keep looking for trades. We got a 4 hour fair value gap right here. 4 hour fair value gap right here. I'm gonna go down to a 15-minute to see if we're gonna respect it and disrespect it. All right. Let's look at this. Okay, rejection right here. We couldn't break on the green candle right here on the low. Should I take a short? I would like to take a short. I would like to, but I want to see more confirmation. Couldn't break on the green right here. Okay. Maybe another confirmation for the shorts. 3 minute. We're gonna see. Might push up. What's I think? I do. I really do. I be overthinking it. I see it, but I overthink it. I want to be safe, you know. Okay. Holding up though, halfway though. Let's see. Halfway point held up right here. Bop. If we don't get the break, keep rejecting. Okay, okay. Get below this halfway point, might take a short. We can break this low right here. Actually, this is the low. Alright, let's see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Hope we don't chop around. Look at the 2 minute. Pushing. 3 minute. Rejecting. Rejection. I just want to see a rejection right here. ES. I want to see ES break. I want to see ES pop to that. Whatever. What is this? A 1 hour. I want to see ES pop to this 1 hour right here. Right. I'm gonna show y'all. It would be nice to see ES pop into this 1 hour right here, and we just reject. I'm gonna see. All the longs gonna continue to come in. Let's look at the daily. Okay. Let's see. Can't ES reject this 1 hour, right? Can't ES reject this 1 hour and give us a short play? Or are we going to continue going long? We're going to see. Push this over so I can see it. But if you got that long good trade, I wasn't paying attention. Those type of things you want to see. You want to see a block. You want to see setups like this, like that, man. Those be the ones. The A+ setups right here. A+ setups. A+ setups. Sellers are not giving in right here, man. A+ setups. A+ setups. Pushing. Look at that 1, 2 minute, 3 minute. It's just pushing. I won't go long until I see a setup. You know, that's the reason why I would take it long. Like, for example, this might be another setup right here. See? I got a fair value gap right here, right? On the 3 minute. See if we can come back down into this, bounce, and respect this right here. You know, you never know. Might respect this wick right here. I want to see it set up. And maybe continue long. But we don't continue to push like this, dog. Look like we're going to go to the moon. Yes, it's still pushing. Uh-oh. What we doing right here? There is a 1 hour above IFVG that I want to see us push into. Let me look to make sure that I'm not... Look, I want to see a correction. If we can get a nice correction, since we are pushing long and the bias looks long. Right? The bias do look long. Right? You see it? It looks long. It looks like it wants to hold these levels. Right? I want to see us push, but I want to see a correction to get into a long. I got to see more confirmation. Where do I want to get my long into? Let's see. Look at a 5 minute. Look at a 5 minute. I don't want to see us short to like oblivion. That's going to be hurt my feelings. I want to see us push into this IFVG. That would be nice. I just got to see what we're going to get into a long. Come on. Give us a nice entry somewhere. So I ain't going to have to be on here too long. Out long now. Gap just closed. Hey, I'm trying to go. I'm going for this. That's what's up. I'm going for this. This inverse fair value you got right here. On this 1 hour. Yes, sir. Let's help me look for short. Let's help me look for shorts. It's crazy. Hey, okay. Yeah, they have. They want to look for a short now. Gap filled. Gap filled, but direction. I mean, if the direction is still long, the direction is still long. Why fight the trend, right? Why fight the trend, right? But hey, you do what you want. You want, hey, if I talk about something and you hear it, then I guess you're gonna take the short. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. You got your gap filled. I can't get into a trade like this overextended. Okay, are we respecting this block right here? All right, we're tapping this on liquidity. Let me go ahead and remove this. It's noise. It's noise. It's noise. What else we have? We got that. Let me look at a 5-minute. Damn, this thing just wants to push. ES is just pushing. Wow, look at that push. Couldn't break on this 30-second. Bounce at this right here. We're gonna see. Big rejection. Let's see. Still looks long though. Still looks long. Let's see. Man, what is this? What is this? What kind of zone is this? 4 hour. Oh, this is a 4 hour. So you got to be on a 15-minute 15-minute prints in 3 minutes. So I'm gonna wait for that. I'm gonna wait for that 3 minutes. I'm about to catch a short in that. You might catch a short in that trade. Unless we don't push to the whole moon. Gosh, man. Volume getting crazy, spiking. Now, them longs look gorgeous, bro. Why didn't take this trade earlier? Gorgeous long. How you know the shorts don't be coming in is when these wicks right here, there's no shorts in these wicks right here. That's another way, and then you can see how to build up, you know? Another way you can see the shorts come in. I mean the shorts don't come in. When you don't see no strong wick, you know another scalp right there. Yeah. See if we can get rejection. 15 minutes printing soon, so I'm trying to wait. 2 minutes left on the 15-minute. 2 minutes left on the 30-minute. Time left we got on the 1 hour. 30 minutes on that. Alright. I just want to see a push. If we can get a nice push, that'd be nice. I just want to see the 15-minute print, have a retracement, and then we go long. That's all I'm looking for. That's all I'm looking for. ES is already pushing to that 1 hour. ES is pushing to that 1 hour. Oh, we gotta get a push. Come on now. 1 minute on the 15-minute. Can we get a retracement back into this 4 hour? Back into this 4 hour, and then we just bounce off of it and then go long. It may take a minute, so we're gonna see. You think it's gonna go short at 23.50? 23.50? 23.50? Let's see what that is. Let's see it respect. 23.50. So what? Take out the liquidity above and then short? I don't see a why not take out liquidity at the previous day high? We might hit this 1 hour and just drop. We're gonna see. 1 minute on the 15. Yeah, let's see if it respects. I don't want to fight the trend no more. That short down there was crazy. I didn't think it was gonna continue like that. But now seeing it, for sure, most definitely was gonna go in there like that. Oh yeah, that was a good trade. That was a beautiful trade, and I missed it. Beautiful trade. But that's how you work on your craft, though. Selling off on I got 10 seconds left until that 15-minute print. 10 seconds left. $15 just print it. All right, 30 seconds just print it. Right underneath this block. Big drop. 15 minute. Big drop. Big drop. Big drop. Big drop. Big drop. Big drop. All right, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Ooh. Can we get pushed back down? I don't want to see us come all the way down, but maybe come down to this spot right here and reject. Let's see. Maybe right here and bounce off this 3 minute. We can continue long. I don't want to see us hold this block. Oh, that's gonna be crazy. Let me see 5 minute. All right, so we are above on a 5 minute. Okay. All above on a 5 minute right here. Can we get that drop? Can we get this drop right here? Holding that 2 minute. 2 minute hold. Wow, we holding this? Come on. It's the block we just hit. Let's see. Okay. Couldn't break this low. Bouncing off this high right here. Inverse, if ever you got right here, it might take this long. 30 minutes, we're gonna see. Oh, that's a trick one. Yeah, I might take it. With one scalp. I'm gonna scalp this one. Put my lows below this right here for 23. I want to see this go up to this point right here. I might add more if we hold it. I'm in one long. Even though we might reject right here, because this looked like a rejection point. Yeah, big rejection point. Might scale out if we don't disrespect this fair value gap. Let's see. See if we respect this level. Probably not. Are we building down? About to get sideways. Let me get out this trade. I'm out of it. I ain't like how the build down was. We're gonna wait. Patience. That'd be crazy if it just starts breaking up like that. Come on. Can't be in this. That's criminal. Criminal offense. Wow. You're gonna break in this? Wow. Well, I don't believe it. That's the crazy thing. This is the move. I mean, even though I know the red block is above this 4 hour though. This you can't tell me this is the move. This is the move? Breaking above like that? Someone's telling me I just don't believe it. I don't know. I'm gonna wait. Patience. We still range bound. We didn't break this low. We respected it. Wow. This is the move. You gotta be joking. Let me see. 50 ticks. Damn, man. They didn't want to give us this move right here. I'm still waiting on this one. That's the catch. I'm still waiting on this one. I want this to be like this. This is the area I would like to see us bounce at. Not right here. Like I see it. Oh, this is it. It looks like it. The way it looked, how we dropped up on the settles with this doji, how we stand above this wick right here. It looks like it too. All right, 10 seconds on this 5 minute. So crazy, bro. Nah, this move don't look like it. Nah. Bop, just print it. Got above. We're gonna see. Man. Chop City. Gotta look at some other ones. See? This is what I'm thinking of rejection right here. You see this? Gee, I don't know. This is what I'm thinking. This is what I'm seeing. I might be seeing rejection. Because look at this. Look how we took out these liquidity right here. We took out this right here. We respected underneath this block. Let's look on the 15 minute. Same thing. underneath this block. Took out some of these liquidity right here. We still got some imbalances above that I would like to see us push into. We're gonna see though. We're gonna see. I'm just trying to make sure that I'm not getting faked out. Getting faked out, getting faked out, getting faked out, getting faked out. ES made higher high, and NQ should follow. I mean, yeah. Yeah. Might be right. We're gonna see though. Respect to that. Let's see. Big halfway respect. Ooh. What's up, Tristan? Still waiting for this this retracement. Cause my entry, I'm trying to get an entry right here at this 970 level, 968 level. See if we can bounce at this block right here. Also, what is this again? I'm just looking for short now. It's up like crazy now. No FOMO. Do your thing. Could reject right here, but I'm still waiting. Still waiting. Third one this week was 1 day away from payout. Then I sold. Yeah. Hey, that's what's up, Tristan. Hey, at least you know what your mistakes was. At least you know what we could do to change and make it better. Cause they're gonna be, thank God there's a next time. Thank God there's a next time. God bless you, man. I pray that you get that payout. It can get rough. As long as we remember to do it for the setups, as long as we respect our setups and we love the setups more than we love the money, we'll be good. Just love the setup. I had a feeling this short was gonna come in. I didn't like how it was. Hold on, I'll be right back. My kid's going crazy. All right, let's get it. Where we at? Still sideways. Still sideways. Just might be a retracement, Tristan, but I mean Gia, but I don't know. We're gonna see. Could be a retracement. But need confirmation though. If you want to take it though, it looks good though. I ain't gonna lie. But I just don't want to see you get absorbed. All right, so we printed halfway. What is this? Oh, what time frame was this? 4 hour. 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour just printed right here. We got 3 minutes on a 15-minute. Ooh, I would like to see. Oh, yo, if we could stay above on this 4 hour on the 15-minute, hey, yo, that would be nice. But then again, this might be a short play too. 15 minutes on that play. 30-minute. We close, y'all. We close. Big push. Couple more minutes left. I'm waiting for this little fair value you got to get filled. Hopefully, we won't retrace all the way back down. I already know, G, you taking them shorts. I had a feeling you probably would, but be careful though. Be careful. I'm about to go ahead and remove this stuff. This is all this noise. It's just gonna distract me. Look how we got underneath. I should have known that short was gonna come in, especially right here underneath. 62 ticks right there, especially we got underneath with the sellers. Man, that was nice. Look this on a 30-second. Watch it look gorgeous on the 30-second. Look how we respect this fair value gap inverse. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I know you taking your short. Hey, I'm waiting for my long. Beautiful trade. You should be up here streaming. Alright, just waiting for my level. That's good. So preserving that capital. Come on. Just get into my level. 15 minutes left. Let's see. Oh, big rejection. Man, this is a tough trade. I ain't gonna lie. It's a tough trade. Okay, we so overextended already. Gotta look at a high time frame to kind of get my mind right. We broke this 1 hour. We filled this imbalance, and we still got some more liquidity above. I would like to see us fill in. Let me look at a 4 hour. Are we gonna retrace right here, or are we gonna push right here? That's the catch. Let's see, 1 hour. Could be a rejection. Gotta be careful right here. Go out, took small profit. Got out, took small profit. The Monte. Hey, yeah, the absorption. People took that quick short. People took that quick scalp short, and they just absorbed quick. Risky stuff. Still waiting for my trade. I want to get in right here. I want to see us bounce right here. Bounce right back above this 1 hour. We can get above it. If we can get back to this 1 hour and bounce on it and see a push back up to this 1 hour above this IFVG, I'm taking that trade. I might go into 5 micros. Kind of scalp out slow. When I am sim funded, just make the bar minimum to get your trading days, then trade that 5th day and get your payout that day. That's some good advice. Some days you find yourself following rules, and some days you find yourself the emotions just pop out the lid. You got to keep that lid closed. Them emotions do come out. Some days you feeling like I don't know what it is, you know. It happens. It happens. I think I've been in a weird season. I ain't gonna lie though. With my payouts, I think I've been in a weird season. Cause everybody that's been here from the beginning since I've been trading, been seeing my payouts constantly. And seeing my PAs constantly. Alright, so we're respecting this now. Okay, we holding this small little range. 2 minute, 15 minute. How many minutes we got? 8 seconds left on the 15-minute. Ooh, 18 minutes left. 8 seconds left. 1 second left. Bop. 15 minutes just printed. We stayed above this 4 hour. Can we see a short and then a bounce? We didn't get this break right here. Come on, get back into this level right here. Come on. This short do look good. I ain't gonna lie. But then again, we're gonna see. Don't tell me you about to hold this level. Nah. Come on now. Trying to see, do I see anything that says this level is being held up? Bouncing between these two zones. Let's see. Are we holding this 4 hour? Sellers, where you at? Sellers. I'm trying to see if these sellers gonna come in and try to take. Here we go. Alright. Come on. Just push down to this level and hold it and respect it. Are we breaking this low? We didn't break on a 5 minute. We held this 5 minute right halfway. Come on, push down. Imbalance fill below 2. This short look crazy. Here we go. Come on. That short look good though. I ain't gonna lie though. Let's see. It's about 9:48. 9:48. Look at that absorb. Gosh. Ooh, if anybody got into that short with that big bounce right here. Wow. No respect. Just dominating the market. Right? Gotta be careful right here. Nothing but chop. Man, they didn't give me my level. Come on. All you had to do is just tap it just one time. Just respect it one time. Just one time. Get rid of this right here, this inverse. Kind of balance buff right here. Patience. A lot of chop, a lot of wicks. Just trying to wait. See if he'll give us that move. Man, I really want to see this get. Oh, right here. Hey, if this the move right here, hey, you know what time it is. Give us that move. Short's looking good though. But what cost? What cost does it take to get? Well, you know what? I would want to scout, but nah, that's like messing with my bias too much. See how I just keep absorbing? Yeah, I don't like that. What cost though to get absorbed and shoot down and so? Nah, see, look at that. Nah. Come on, you ain't gonna give me my entry. Come on, entry. Come on, right here. I'm looking for an entry right here. Pop. With the stop right here. Oh, also got a 15-minute right here though. That's gonna be tough. That's all I want. That's all. This is all I asked for. That's all I asked for. These shorts look beautiful. You know what? I might take a short. This looking beautiful, bro. The way it looks is crazy, but then again, ooh, Gio, take the shorts from me, bro. Gio, take the shorts from me. Take the shorts from me. I can't find it in myself to take them. Take them from me. Take them from me. Man, they look so good. But I gotta respect my trading plan. Take them from me. Come on. Come on, give us this trade. We're so close to it. I gotta see how many ticks this is. How much I'm risking. For 95, I need to do the math on that. 95 with 5 micros. 5 times 0.5 times 95. 237. That's it? Wait a minute. 0.5 times 10 times 95. 475. 0.5 times 20 times 95. 950. 950. Oh, here we go. See if we hold this level. Oh, big red candle. This is tough because he said I'm not long for short. Big red candle because look, there's no. Oh, good thing I didn't get into that trade yet. Wow, that was aggressive. Wow, look at that move. Sheesh. Sheesh. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. I told you to take that short from me. It looked good, but I just didn't want to take it. Alright, here we go. On a 5 minute, 50 seconds left on a 5 minute. See if we can get that push. Man, this thing looks really heavy to the shorts. Really heavy. I might need to be really careful. Nah, for real though. Nah, I might have to be really careful. This thing looking heavy short. I might have to change my bias. I might change my bias. I might. We're gonna see. Hey, this thing looking short though. We're gonna see. I think I'd be patient because I still want to take a long though. I don't want to change my bias just yet. Because that rejection was crazy. Alright, we got 5 minutes left. I'm gonna wait till these candles print. Let's see. Are we holding right here? Can I get into a trade right here? Big rejection. Still waiting. Let's see, it's gonna push up in that. Keep my stop tight. Yeah, I was just thinking that. What if we come back down to, especially coming down into this range right here. I just wanted to make sure that we wasn't like getting no fake out, because I was looking at also right here. If we don't respect this, then we might see another short come in. If we don't respect this fair value gap, I was thinking about that VWAP too. I was also thinking about these spots right here. I was like, man, what about these spots? Would it come into this? So you right, we thinking the same way. See how I was rejecting? I was scared that if I would have gotten into a short, look at how I was rejecting that. See that? I was afraid that if I would have gotten into a long, that would have happened. Yeah. Man, it's tough. 62 ticks. 62 ticks on, let's see, 62 ticks. 62 times, actually I'm lying. 5.20 times 62, that's 620. Hey, my wife gave me like a couple of more, what you call this? Oh, that's tricky. Come on, don't be loading slow, bro. Come on, don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah, I'm gonna get off soon, though. I'm gonna get off soon, because, I don't want to be on here too long. It's already overextended. And it is Friday. These shorts look heavy. These shorts look heavy. I'm trying to see if we can hold this 1 hour on a 5 minute. If we can hold this 1 hour on a 5 minute, that's gonna be my trade. If we don't, then you know, it is what it is. Nah. Nah, come on, come on, come on. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Come on, why you take it so slow? Why you do this when I want to start doing stuff, man? Come on. Huh? Alright, let's see. 2 minute, 1 minute. Okay, okay, okay. I like that candle. I like that red candle. But then again, we're gonna see. Can we hold this level? Sideways, real sideways. Real sideways. Well. Alright, I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm taking it long. I'm taking that long. See if I can get that stop right there. I'm taking that long. I want to see if he holds this level. Come on. It's gonna push. How many ticks was this? 49 ticks? Yeah. Let me get out of this. I'm gonna wait till the time frame to print. Let me wait for the minute print. I think I'm rushing it too much. If we could print above if we print above this, and we stay above that, then you know we might see a long. Just waiting for it. 35 seconds. 35 seconds on the 15. 30 seconds. 30 seconds on the 30 through the 1. Just wait and see. ES is still trying to push. Let me see. Yeah, 20 seconds. We're gonna wait. Have patience. Just have patience right here. My entry was supposed to be right there. Come on, 6 seconds left. There we go, we just printed. I'm adding right here. I'm gonna just add right here. I'm also gonna put my stop below this low right here for a loss of 82. I might add more if we start respecting this level. Hope we don't disrespect it. Let's see. We're right above this 1 hour on the 15 minute. I like this. I like this long. But I don't want to see a rejection, a heavy rejection Let me see if we can respect this right here. Okay, also right here. Entry was right there. Not too bad, 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 not too bad. See if we can hold this fair value gap. Fair value gap. Look at ES. It's holding. Let's see. Come on, respect it. Don't do some crazy move and then bounce, bro. That's gonna be so annoying. Come on, come on. Don't be doing that, bro. Don't be doing that, bro. Don't be doing that, bro. Alright, alright. I like the respect on that. I like that, I like that. I like that, I like that, I like that. Ooh, I might add more on this. Let me see. 1 minute, show me. I'm adding. I'm adding. I'm adding. I'm adding. I'm at 8. I'm gonna keep a tight stop. I'm gonna keep a tight stop. I like that we didn't get the break right here. I like that we respected this fair value gap. I want to see a push. Let me look at a 2 minute because I think that's gonna be more important. Looking at a higher time frame. Come on. Higher time frame push. Oh, we just printed. Okay, that's not too bad. That's not too bad, but I like how we stand above. If we can stay above this, I want to see us push. I don't want to see us reject. Come on. What's my TP? What's my TP? That's what I need to worry about. What's my TP? TP might be back up until this point right here. Do a small profit. I'm not going to try to risk too much, you know? What's the point of risking too much? Ah. Come on. Hold on, y'all.
We're keeping the working.
Go back. Go back. I'm coming. I'm coming, man. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back, y'all. I gotta go help my son. Be right back. Crazy. My son just come running up here. Alright, let's see. Can we hold this level? Come on, 5 minute. I like this. I like this. I like this. I might add more. I might add more. I want to look at the 30-second. Okay, okay. Dang, boy. People want this level bad. It's like as soon as you get a big drop, everybody wants to start buying. We must got a passive seller in this market because, goodness. Look at that. That's why you don't add so soon. Can we hold this half point? Can we hold this half point? If we can hold this half point, I'll be happy. Okay. Okay. Oh, well, then I don't like that wick. I don't like that. Okay, okay, okay. Let's go. Time's up. My time is up. My time is up. My time is up. You're right. My time is up. But I'm going to hold this trade because I'm in it. Ah. Don't like that. Don't like that. Come on, hold it. Hold this level. Look at the 30-second. Okay. Oh, well. Okay, okay. But then again, ooh. Bro, y'all must don't want me in this trade. Come on now. I'm gonna give myself some. I'm gonna put myself back into this trade. I'm gonna put my stop below these lows right here. We can get this trade. If we get a push back down into these lows, I'm gonna see if we can get a bounce. Shaka doesn't want to hold his level. Okay, whatever. That's cool. That's cool. I might just get off. It's Friday, right? It's Friday. We might catch another trade. I might catch another trade. 2 minutes on the 5 minute. ES probably still need a bigger retracement because see. But I gotta wait. But I gotta get off. I gotta wait, but I gotta get off. I got kids I gotta attend to. That's the thing about trading and streaming. I got these kids I gotta get to, so I can't really be on. And my focus is always like trying to think about if they're gonna come, or I gotta watch them interrupt. So I might gotta get off, bro. I would love to wait, but might have to catch one quick trade and get off. If not, then that's it. Wait, yeah, we took out this. Bounce in here. We at the half point. 5-minute prints in like 2 minutes. Guess it's about time for me to get off, y'all. It's Friday. It is what it is. I'll take my little 174 loss and call it a day. I'll give myself like 20 more minutes and that's it. 20 more minutes. If I don't see nothing, I'm off. I'm done. VWAP is still below at those levels right here. See if we can come back down to this VWAP, this fair value you got right here, and respect it and bounce. That would be nice. I would like to see us come down into that fair value gap and respect it with a candle, because I don't want to see a wick in it. You know what I'm saying? Like, look, like right here. I want to see us respect this. Right here. I'm gonna put a white so y'all can see it. Let me get rid of this. Get rid of all of this stuff. See if we can respect this before I get off. Yeah, right here. This is my last one right here. I'm gonna target these highs. Keep my stop tight. I don't want to see us break all the way down though. I got a couple more minutes on this. Couple more minutes. This thing looks short. If we hold this 1 hour, I would like to see us go long. But wait, a couple more minutes, 2 more minutes on it. But actually, One more minute. Oh, man. Big drop. All right. Find these true levels. Let's see. All right. I'm going at 5 right here. Put my stop below this lows and risk 176. Put my TP back up to this point right here. See if we can get this loss back. Then this is my last trade. It's gonna be it for me. Even if it's a break even, I'm not gonna risk too much. I get so laggy when the trade gets so aggressive. That's it. Crazy drop, no respect. I just caught a bounce play. I just want to see if it's going to just come back up into this, and then I'm gonna get out. Might get out even now, cause I gotta get off. I gotta go do some stuff. That's true. Thanks for holding me accountable for that, Gia. I really respect that, for holding me accountable for that. It's not respecting. That was a good indicator. I like that. I like that. I'm gonna get out of this. I'll take it like I was before, 67. I can't hold it too long. I mean, I could. Don't get me wrong. I could just leave it, but that's not my style. Yeah, I'm about to get off, y'all. I can't be on too long. I try to give myself at least 2 hours tops. You know, at least 2 hours tops. Like you said, Gia was right. There was no respect. Just a big drop. If he was to catch that bounce, there's no respect to say, hey, this thing wants to continue long. You know, that's true. That's good words. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. I took the big scalp because I seen how we stopped at this half point on a 5 minute. I like how we stayed above this wick right here. It kind of like as soon as I went down, I was like, oh yeah, this is gonna be a nice bounce. Why not get it? But Gia is right. If the trade is just aggressive, there's no respect. It's just a bunch of volatility and whipsaw. So why get into a trade unless you willing to take the risk? See, like this, like you see how it just doesn't know if it wants to continue to go short, continue to go long, right? All right, y'all. Well, I'm about to get off, y'all. That's it. We're gonna call it a Friday. Not gonna wait on it too long. I really hope y'all enjoyed the stream. All right. Also, we got Psalms chapter 25, verse 4. Show me the path, O Lord. Point out the road for me to follow. Lead me by your truth and teach me, for you are good. For you are the God who saves me. All day long, I put my hope in you. So remember to continue to put your hope into God. Continue to have faith in Him. And continue to walk that good faith, right? And also, Romans chapter 12, verse 2. Don't copy the behavior and customs of this world, but let God transform you into a new person by changing the way you think. And then you will learn to know God's will for you, which is good and pleasing and perfect. God bless and have a good day. I'll see y'all next week. Have a good weekend.